It's a video, Cal. When I'm done shooting it. Show me the car that we made.
Okay. Let's see. I will. That big stuff is. Okay, well, there's you. Let's take a picture of her.
Caitlin's busy building. Maybe if her doctor plans fall through, she'll be an architect. Do you know what an architect does? They build buildings. Well, they design the buildings.
Maybe you get to school.